Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new lesson, that is chapter 2 history, class 12, establishment and development of Indian democracy. In that we are going to revise the lesson we are going to start, that is the refugee problem, the topic, in which after the partition we all know India was facing a lot of trouble. The biggest problem was the problem faced by the refugees, the migration which was being done by the people from Pakistan and in fact from India, that is from West Bengal and from the East Bengal part and from Punjab part. So this was the biggest problem which was going on after the partition of India. So what was the refugee problem? In 1947, it became very much clear that independent and now Indian people should rule the country with their elected representatives. Hence, the partition was made so hastily that it created a great problem, that was communal problem. Lakhs of refugees were forced to leave their ancestral houses from the two new states, India and Pakistan. The division of Punjab and Bengal witnessed biggest migration. The problem was divided into three heads. That was incoming of refugees from West Punjab, now in Pakistan, refugees from Northwest Frontier Province, refugees from province of Sindh, refugees from East Bengal to West Bengal. This was the biggest trouble. The trouble was from the migration. Even in fact, the government report is told, the estimated report in 1947 after the partition, that a little more than 1 million people had crossed over from the new state of Pakistan to the East Punjab in India on foot, and over 1.5 million by rail, 364,000 by motor transport, and 28,000 by air. That means such a huge migration took place after partition. And the resettlement of these people, the refugees people, was the biggest task of government to handle in that situation. But the biggest problem faced, the worst sufferers, were the Hindu refugees from East Bengal. Nearly 1 billion refugees had crossed over from East Bengal to West Bengal, and thus their resettlement, their job, their settling down was the biggest problem faced by West Bengal, as this influx was such a huge number of people that it threatened the social, economic and political system of West Bengal. Unlike the position in Punjab, here the flow was almost entirely one way. Why one way? Because it is a government report. In reality, the anticipated return of refugees to their original homes at East Bengal was never materialized. According to the government records, there were huge number of refugees who came from East Bengal by November 1950, and while the Muslim refugees who went to from the West Bengal to East Bengal were very less from the incoming of the refugees who entered into West Bengal. And that means population pressure was huge on West Bengal, and resettlement was the biggest problem. Even transfer of assets, the properties, transfer of population, problem of recovery of abandoned properties, division of assets was the main problem the government was facing, in which at the time of partition it was decided that India would take the responsibility of paying the foreign debts and Pakistan would pay its share. This was the present scenario, the present decision taken by, but Pakistan, as we all know, had returned back all the decisions taken, all the rules, regulation which was taken during the partition time. So with the partition also came the problem of recovery of abandoned properties. Communal riots had forced the people of both the countries to abandon their immovable properties, and thus the refugees faced a huge problem regarding the takeover of their abandoned properties from their proper place from where they were living. So this was the biggest problem which was faced during the transfer of assets. Thank you. In the next class we will study the next topics, that is river water dispute.